Hi, this is Ann with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to show you how to find your images when you made a prompt on MidJourney. And there's tons of other people, that are making prompts, and it's really hard to actually find your images. So there are a few easy ways. Now, if you don't know what MidJourney is or how to use it, I do have another video on that, and that'll be right up here at the top of your screen. Now, first I'm going to show you the way that worked for me personally, and then I'm going to show you another way that didn't work for me, but apparently works for everybody else. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first, to see the images that you've created, you can go here to this website while you're logged in. And that is midjourney.com/app. And then over on the right side, choose all. And here you can see all the images that you've created, and you can scroll through them. Now, if I click on one, I can click these three dots at the bottom and choose Save Image, and it'll save to my computer. But you don't get your upscale options or anything like that you can do in Discord. Now, the second way is inside Discord itself. So let's head over there. Now, you want to make sure you're on MidJourney over here. And then go to one of the rooms like Newbies 123. And here you can see, obviously, a ton of activity going on. Now, the MidJourney bot, this right here, is going to be part of each of these, or almost all of them. So go ahead and click MidJourney Bot. And then you can send a message to the MidJourney bot, and it'll open this screen. Now, if you're a paid member of MidJourney, you can actually type /imagine and then enter your prompt right into this MidJourney bot, and you'll always be able to see them in here. If you're a paid member, that's really the easiest way to do it. Now, if you're not a paid member, there's still a way where you can always keep your prompts where they're not fighting with everybody else in Newbies 123. And that is to create your own server. So let's go ahead and choose Add a Server right over here. It's the big plus button. I'll create my own, and then you can choose either one of these. I'm going to choose for me and my friends. I don't need a photo right now, and I'll just call it Ann's Server, and we'll create. You'll see your server right over here on the side with all your other servers that you're a member of. Now I'll go back to MidJourney. I'll click on MidJourney Bot again, and then I'll add to server. I'll select the server that I just made and continue. Then scroll down and choose Authorize. Say I am human, and now we're authorized. Now if I go to my server over here on the left, now I can actually type imagine and then a prompt, and everything that's in this server will stay here. And you can always come back to this server and see your personal prompts and results. Okay, now I'm going to go back to Newbies 123, and I'll show you one more way that apparently works for everybody else, but didn't work for me very well. Now, if you're on a desktop version of Discord, you can click your inbox right up here at the upper right, and then choose Mentions. And you'll see that I don't have anything here, but if you've written prompts in the last week or so, they'll show up here. It'll also show the MidJourney results because the MidJourney bot mentions your name whenever it makes a design like this. And maybe there's a way to see the history here, but I haven't figured out how to do that. If you're on the mobile version, you'll see three little lines, also called a hamburger menu, and that'll be up in the upper left corner. So you can click that and then choose the bell icon, and those will be your mentions. And that's how I'm able to always see my images on MidJourney. All right, I hope this video was helpful for you. In the comments section, please let me know if it was. All of the interaction on this video will help it get ranked higher in the YouTube search and let more people see it so it can help others too. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.